Hi, I'm Carly Caramana, and I am here at Carowinds, the amusement park in 2 states. Yes, but I am not here to talk about geography. No. Following Carowinds' 50th anniversary celebration, they are making a very special announcement. And I've been told that things here are about to get bigger, better, and Snoopy-er. Yes. So it's my Scout's honor to fill you in on all the fun. So let's go.
This is Camp Snoopy, where families have been making memories for years. There's rides, entertainment, and all-around fun inspired by the adorable Peanuts gang and the spirit of summer camp. So, about that announcement, coming in 2025, guests of all ages will enjoy 2 new major family-friendly attractions. Are you ready to become a full-fledged Beagle Scout?
It might not look like much right now, but soon this will become Snoopy's Racing Railway. The family-friendly steel launch roller coaster will shoot its riders from 0 to 31 miles per hour in just seconds.
Budding thrillists and even seasoned coaster pros like me will join Engineer Snoopy on a major mission. During this special mission, we will help him deliver root beer and pizza to Camp Snoopy's mess hall.
Fans can expect thrilling dips and all the twists. Plus, you get to ride around the track twice. And the best part, this is something the entire family can enjoy together. Now that is Schroeder's music to my ears. So what does this mean for the family-friendly offerings here at Carowinds?
So one of the goals of part of this project is a way to beat the heat. It's really hot here in the Carolinas. We don't really have any attractions that give the guests a chance to cool off unless you go over to our water park. So our guests have spoken and we have heard. So our goal with one of our major attractions that we're adding is a place where guests can get on and get a little bit wet.
And who is up for a super fun water fight? Camp Snoopy style, of course.
Charlie Brown's River Raft Blast will do just the trick when it also debuts next year. This interactive boat ride takes place down at Snoopy's swimming hole. Here, you're aboard a log raft that's equipped with water blasters. And the best part? You are in charge of spraying your fellow boat riders and your friends ashore. Spoiler, you're gonna get wet.
And you'll want to keep your eyes peeled during this drenching good time because you may spot some of your favorite Camp Snoopy friends along the way. But that's not all at Carowinds.
The expansion of Camp Snoopy will also include new ways to meet your favorite Peanuts friends. Hi, Pigpen! And I'm delighted to share that this will be indoors. Air conditioning.
The reimagined Camp Snoopy will also feature new family splash play zones and other guest amenities you'll want to be on the lookout for. And if all of this adventuring has made you hungry, there's a brand new grab-and-go snack stand. The Scouts are currently in training, and Carowinds can't wait to see you in 2025 at the newly reimagined Camp Snoopy.